Welcome back to Potted Living. This is a very quick update video on my grapefruit tree. These grapefruits, as you may recall from previous videos, we had a lot of grapefruits on here. The tree shed, most of them were down to 4, but they have all gotten past the stage of growth required in order to be successful, and here they are. And I just want to show you how big these are. So if you imagine back at the end of June, they were still flowers, and here we are at the end of September. And look at how big that grapefruit is. Anybody who tells you you can't grow grapefruits in Canada, I'm here to prove that you can. You can grow your own citrus here in Toronto. There's 2 of them there. We've got one growing right here and another one way at the back, if you can see that one back there. So there you have it, my ruby red grapefruit tree. I'm really happy with how well this tree's been growing. We get maybe 4 a year tops. It's not a big plentiful breakfast snacking tree, but I love the tree itself. It's very beautiful to look at. It grows incredibly well in the wintertime, surprisingly, even under low light conditions. The one thing about citrus is you need to make sure you have well-draining soil and that the soil has nutrients. So if you need to supplement with a fertilizer, I use just a well-balanced 10-10-10 fertilizer, and I use primarily peat moss as the growing medium. And this has made this tree extremely happy. Very green, lush leaves, and nice big grapefruits. I'm going to post another video when these turn ripe and show you how big they actually get on the tree. So stay tuned for my next update video from Potted Living. Oh, and remember to subscribe if you haven't already, because I have lots of videos on all kinds of stuff, from fruits and vegetables that you can grow in pots on your garden space or patio.